vehicle parking over there, car parking over here. Spacious parking space. So car checking. So it would be great if the Madhavara station is open just next to it.
हो गया आपका
So you need to register for the pass online. So I've done it 2 days back, and you'll get a QR code which you will need to present it over there, and they'll give you a wristband. So you need to collect it over there. Now here everyone, chief guests who are attending. So got my badge. Visitor badge for the Pravas. Got my badge. So you have this event at hall number 4. Pravas 4.2. So 2 years back it was held at Hyderabad, Hightex. Here you have buses. iChair. So let's see what's inside. Let's go. You have iChair buses over here. Tata Motors this side. Where's Volvo, Scania? Yeah, here you have Volvo. Wow. So I'll just have a brief look of the exhibition, then we'll see the buses one by one. Veera starting. Abhi bus, red bus. Bus door system. This one's Audi Q5 over here, 5 series, and the X5. Veera bus's charging point. So let's see one by one.
mobility solution, highly efficient electric buses, and a wide portfolio of services ready to go. And we simply strive to create more zeros than anyone else. Just imagine this could mean freedom in your city. Zero emissions,
RGB.
So let's ask what are the benefits. Have LCD TVs as well. This is in the lower deck. You have back Volvo headrest over there with the Volvo badging, backrest, the Volvo badging pillow, and you know, soft mattress with private screening, LED screening. This is the lower berth, lower single. So you can see what's the difference between the regular 9600 and this one. No smoking. So we have our Volvo staff member over here. So sir, here sir, how about this bus?
This bus is a regular 9600 model and we call this as 9600 interior upgrade.
Okay.
So here you can see some new features which we added here, and also backrest and interior theme, like you know, we have
LED light running over there.
You can see here, and we have different style of headers, and even you can see this one also.
LEDs.
And it is luggage rack also. So you can keep your laptop in luggage rack. And it's all everything which we call as AS119 was body code certified. And
Okay.
we have some features which you can also see here. Some refrigerator, and
oven, emergency exit over here. Even have pantry services.
VLTS switch which we can enable, switches which we have.
Okay. VLTS switches.
Some features, it is a customized. If any customers are asking something like this, we can provide. And these are all theme which we have as a standard, and it's a scratch-proof.
Scratch-proof material. Okay.
And this is a
Fabricated birds.
fabric and everything. Standard available. There is a mobile pouch and there is a USB charger.
Okay. You can see over there USB charger and mobile pouch over there. And you even have an emergency exit hammer over there for safety.
And we have, you can see here the LED also.
Yeah, RGB lighting.
So it will change the color.
You get premium services.
Maybe this side also same. Pink, yellow, red. It will change.
Will change. So the Volvo 9600. Mainly the interiors change.
Made easy, like it's like serviceable.
Yeah.
These are all features which we can refrigerator and oven we can keep this.
वो दो कट गया वो अभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए रखा हुआ था ताकि निकलने में आसानी हो।
Can have a POV view. This with the RGB lighting. Premium. These events. Light off, light on. In here. This is something I don't know. POV view of this bus. Even have a hammer, mobile pouch, USB charging point. So exterior and the other engine specifications remain the same as the Volvo 9600. Only changes the interiors. I personally like this one with the premium interiors. Feel like a business class.
सफर मोटर बॉडी है और सफर ट्रेवल्स के नाम से मेरा मसला है। मेरा खुद का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग।
One thing you can observe over here, as the other Volvos have this thing over here. You can see the reverse thing, but in this one you have everything on the one side itself, straight, the one direction. In other buses you used to have this on the reverse, no, opposite side. You used to travel opposite. So this is the... I have another Volvo staff over here. He'll be telling us about the engine specifications. So.
Hi.
Hi.
So this is a V8 engine,
Okay.
8-liter engine, and this is 350 HP
Okay.
power and torque of 1350 Newton meter.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a very good mileage as compared to the market, and the minimum mileage can start from something around, based on the routes, 3.2 it starts, and it can go up to 3.8 as well.
Okay.
Based on that.
So fuel efficient.
Right, very much.
Fuel efficient. So when are you going to launch this bus, sir?
See, this is a protobus for
Protobus.
demonstration, and
Okay.
we are targeting this for next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Manual. Emergency handles are also found on the outside. Special hammer. Hammers are located here. Hit the glass at the edges. It's easier to break it there.
saved us and can live with us next to school.
So let's have a look at Tata. This is a city ride, Prime. So this bus is with engine. With gear. Basically interiors. Seats.
बताते मैं उसको मारता हूँ ना अभिषेक
हाँ सीट कंफर्टेबल है नॉन एसी वर्जन मैंने
सर नॉन एसी भी मिलेगा आप चाहे तो चैसी भी लेके जाओ बॉडी बनवा लो कहीं वो भी ऑप्शन है ये 48 है
48 seater bus.
टीवी भी सब लगाना पूछता हूँ आज आप आ जाओ मैं मिला
So you have engine over here. You can have body made at iMac, Prakash or MG, whichever you want. So you have JBM EV. So let's see. Limited to 75.
चार्जिंग पॉइंट
Interiors, the brand new JBM electric bus.
हाँ हाँ
No premium seats. Have more cushion than the regular Electra. So the maximum backrest it can go. Now you can compare the regular one, the full backrest. Bottle holder, luggage, basically the regular AC vents, reading lamps, etc. Charging point, no, I don't have charging point over here. Charging point is missing. Cabin view. This bus.
रोड बुक पैक करवा ली है यार
Travel 1000 kilometers per day, 49 passengers, ultra fast charging under 1 hour, 24/7, 97% uptime. You know, the regular luxury on wheels, world class safety. What else do you need? So there's another sleeper and sitting bus. Let's see what it is. Future Autotech. So let's just have the interiors of the bus. Driver's cabin. Door open. open and close. Only 3 gears. Front, neutral, rear. So here you have full sitting. Here's sleeper. Seating plus sitting. So let's see what this bus has to offer. So luggage compartment, AC vents, reading lamp, and yeah, some regular backrest with a USB and adapter charging point. RGB lighting over there. Now this makes sleeper buses more attractive. Here you have sitting one with charging point over there. So decent bus basically, to be honest. My personal opinion is nothing can beat Volvo in sleeper buses. Personal opinion, no hate towards any buses. No, just the opinion as I see all regular buses, right? Mostly Prakash body built. So here we have cars, Maruti Suzuki, and there we have a special guest. This one's Mercedes E-Class. This one's G-Wagon. And yeah, over here Rolls-Royce Ghost. Maruti cars. Future Autotech. I have luggage compartment. So this is basically an EV bus, electric bus. So you know the livery is too good, plus the color. So let's just have a look at this caravan. So it's basically kind of caravan. If you're a very good, you know, what do you call? Yeah, if you're a very good camper, this is one of the best thing you can have. A private caravan. Wherever you go, you can have this. So let's see. What does it have to offer us? So this is the driving thing. For the driver cabin with care. So mostly engine, Leyland engine. map. No driver cabin. I'll just go once they finish it up. So basically the interiors are provided by Mercedes-Benz seats. So, 17-seater. Have wash basin over here with the towel rack and a soap dispenser. So this one's bottle holder. So you have a button over there, button system for this. You have mattresses, bed for sleeping, plus private screening, AC. Let's see what is it. Over here we have waiting lines. Oven, I guess. Yeah. Faber oven. Oven. You have toilet over here. Toilet for bathing.
Shower room, bathroom.
Shower. Wash basin. Kinda premium. No storage compartment. Kitchen storage. Lights over here. Oven. No for calling. Have cupboard as well. Cupboards. A wine glass over here. In case. So full shelf.
तो सारी ही चीज मिलती है
No. Drawer. Cupboards.
Just a second, excuse me.
Cupboards. Yeah.
बहुत ही luxury चीज है.
So think you're in a forest where you have no food and you're in this luxury caravan.
अगर आप उसको पहचानते तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसका नाम जरूर बताना.
Caravan. And you have oven and some pantry stuff. And you know, hygiene toilets. So no, basically you're traveling for a long time and you are tired. Have a comfortable nap watching your favorite TV shows, movies. So this is not your home, basically. This is a bus, luxury caravan. Stairs over here. Bedroom. And you know, you can even pull out those curtains for a privacy thing. Yeah, luxury at its best. What more can you expect from a caravan? If you're a camping freak, this is a must for you. I have panoramic windows. Plus this is something I have no idea. So now you have this thing. Reading lamp on, recliner, starting one, either push back. Now you have everything over here. Ventilated seats or what? Everything. You can say this is a all-in-one package. If you're kind of a camping or traveling free and you don't want to stay at any hotels, you have a private home of your own in a bus. So do let me know your thoughts about this caravan in the comments down below. So now let's look at buses of Veera Vahan Udyog. basically Leyland engine, I guess. So let's look at the interiors of this bus. So this is a 2-in-1 configuration, 2+1 seating, I mean sleeper buses. I'll just show you from here. So you have Veera badging, backrest with a pillow, comfortable pillow, and this is a 2-in-2. This is a double berth, lower. So over here you have charging point, USB as well as adapter. Over here you have seat number. Yeah, of course the Veera badging. Reading lamps with AC. And here you have luggage compartment. But you don't have any TV screen over here. Just luggage compartment. Veera. So these are all proto buses. It may take around 1 to 2 years for these to get launched. So comfortable berths. So do let me know which one is your favorite, Veera, JBM or the Volvo. So 36 sleeper berths available in this bus. So now you have seat numbers over here in a blue colored texture. So these are the interiors of the brand new Veera bus. So let's look at the next bus over there. We've completed this tour. Just have a look at this library. Beautiful. Veera Mahasamrat. Let's look at this bus as well. You know, spacious cabin. Driver's cabin. 3 guests. DNR. N is neutral. You have all the controls. Parking light. No bus control on the guard section or either in the potholes, whether the bus to be low or high. Here you have all the charging information and CCTV camera.
Same here.
The speedometer. 50.7 kilometer road is there. And yeah, the same Volvo 9600 seats. Interior is mast agida. So this is just Veera Mahasamrat, that one. This is Veera Mahasamrat EV, electric sleeper bus, 2+1 configuration. So now bright white interiors to make your journey premium. So now almost Gives the same vibes as the Volvo. Here you have CCTV camera, emergency exit. So as you can see, Mahasamrat EV. So we'll show you the interiors. So these are the premium white interiors of the Veera Mahasamrat EV. So we have white luggage compartment and white sleeper berths, cushion with, you know, soft Veera pillow, and yeah, backrest is must. So no idea how soon this bus will get dirty, no, because of the white interiors. This livery looks good on this bus. Depicts the Indian culture. Good. I personally like this. Don't know when would this be operating on the roads. So which one is your favorite? Veera Mahasamrat EV or Volvo 9600, the new edition which I have shown you? Which one do you prefer? Do let me know in the comments down below. You can see Mahasamrat EV. No, this name Mahasamrat is quite catchy. So also 36 of 40, I guess. This is the double upper berth. So now if you ask me, this bus will get no sooner dirty. No kids and other things may dirty the bus. As far as the brand new bus, this is one of the best interiors. As you know, white color gives you premium feeling. You even have your emergency hammer over there. AC vents, 2 AC vents, one near the leg, the over here with reading lamps, and there you have USB charging point for the mobile charger. Here you have seat numbers guided, and even though here, and yeah, emergency SOS button. If you press this, the message will go directly into the driver's cabin and he will look into what's the problem. EV coach. So now rapid charging, charges in 15 minutes. You have battery compartment over here, and yeah, non-EV, EV. So yeah, that's it guys for this Pravas 4.0 event. So I have covered almost everything as far as I can. Eicher, Volvo, JBM, plus the automotive tech. So these were the things happening at the Bengaluru's Pravas 4.0 event, which is scheduled on 29th to 31st August at BIEC Bengaluru. So if you are a visitor and want to visit this one, you can register online, or even the spot registration is available. So that's it for today. Thank you.
है